Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COHSEM Manipur. Unit 3 Calculus. Topic Application of Derivatives. Subtopic Related Rates. Exercise 6.1. Related Rates. Let y equal to f of x be a function. Y amasung x habasi variable anini related, closely related oiba adugumba variable anini. Y की value depend on the values of x. X is called independent variable, y is called dependent variable. Let delta x be an increment in x when there is an increment delta y in y. X haiba variable asida delta x increment ama lakpa matamda y da corresponding increment ama laki madubu delta y na khangnarasi. Then the above expression in words or in symbol, we have to express y plus del y delta y equal to f of x plus delta x. Average rate of change of y with respect to x is average rate of change of y with respect to x is denoted by delta y by delta x. Delta y by delta x, its meaning is average rate of change of y with respect to x. Instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. Instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. But delta y by delta x is the average rate of change of y with respect to x. Point number 5. Delta y is product of two quantities, and the first one is dy by dx, instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x, and the increment in x the lakiba increment aniduga purinaraga increase in y or increment in y do phangane. Let us see. Example, the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 cm per second. Circle amagi radius asi second khudingi 0.7 cm hengatli. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Adugumba circle dugi circumference hengatpagi sang rate adu putu. Let y be the circumference of the circle when its radius is x. Adugumba circle adugi circumference to y oiba matamda radius na x oihana laurasi. Then dx by dt, rate of increase of the radius is 0.7 cm per second. Increase the quantity asigi mamangda plus sign tapane, and y the circumference is equal to twice pi r, that is twice pi x. There y is function of x is function of t. Therefore, we have to find out dy by dt. Differentiating both sides of with respect to t, we get dy by dt is equal to twice pi is constant, x is function of t. Therefore, twice pi into dx by dt. The value of dx by dt is given as 0.7. It becomes 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Thus, the rate of increase of the circumference is 1.4 times of pi centimeter per second. Exercise 6.1. Ahanbu wahang, find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to radius r when r is 3 cm, when r is 4 cm. Find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to the radius r when radius is 3 cm and radius is 4 cm respectively. Let A of r be the area of the circle. Let us suppose A of r be the area of the circle. Then AR is function of which is function of r, that is pi r square. Differentiating this with respect to r, we get a dash of r equal to twice pi r. When r is 3 cm, a dash of 3 is twice pi into 3, that is 6 pi. When r, thus The rate of change of area of the circle when radius 3 cm is 6 pi cm. Radius na 3 cm oiba matamda area hongbagi chang asi 6 pi cm oigani. When r is 4 cm, a dash of r is equal to twice pi into 4, that is 8 pi. Thus, the rate of change of area of the circle when radius 4 cm is 8 pi cm. Question number 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 cm cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of one edge is 12 cm? Cube amagi volume C second khudingi 8 cm cube ki sangda hengatle. Maha ki surface area hengatpa piban amane 12 cm sangba matamda surface area hengatpagi sang putu haibani. Let B and S be the volume and surface area of the cube when its one edge is r cm. Cube amagi piban amagi asangba r cm oiba matamda oiba volume amasung surface area du mathang sina B amasung S na khangnarasi. Then it is given that the volume of the cube is increasing at a certain rate. Therefore, dB by dt is 8 cm cube per second. Surface area of a cube is equal to 6r square and volume of the cube is also b equal to r cube. Now b equal to r cube, differentiating both sides with respect to t, we get dB by dt, which is equal to thrice r square, but r is function of t, therefore we have to multiply by dr by dt. dB by dt is given 8, r is given 12. We have to find out dr by dt is 1 by 54 cm per second. But s equal to 6r square. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get with respect to t, we get ds by dt equal to 12r times of dr by dt. dr by dt is just found out, which is 1 by 54. Replacing 1 by 54, we get 2r by 9. When r is 12 cm, the value of ds by dt is 2 by 9 into 12, that is 8 by 3 cm square per second. Thus, the surface area is increasing at the rate of 2 by 3 cm square per second. For question number 3, the radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 cm per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 cm. Circle amagi radius to uniformly 3 cm per second hengatli, mahaki area hengatpagi radius na 10 cm oiba matamda area hengatpagi sang putu u. Let A be the area of the circle when radius is r. Circle dugi radius na r oiba matamda circle dugi area du a igamar when a then dr by dt area radius hengatpagi sang si hengatlabanina dr by dt ki value si 3 mamanga positive sign laurana 3 cm per second, and the area of a circle A is equal to pi r square. Therefore, dA by dt is twice pi r into dr by dt. dr by dt is 3, whose value then we get 6 pi r. When r is 10 cm, the value of dA by dt is 6 pi into 10, that is 60 pi. Thus, the area of the circle is increasing at the rate of 60 pi centimeter square per second. For question number 4, an inch of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 cm per second. Variable cube amagi piban si second khudingi 3 cm sangba hengatli. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing when the inch is 10 cm long? Piban amagi asang bana 10 cm oiba matamda cube ki volume hengatpagi sang du putu u. Let B be the volume of the cube when it is x. Cube ki piban x oiba matamda cube ki volume du B on a lower C. Then dx by dt, piban hengatpagi sang di 3 cm per second, and the volume of a cube is one side ki cube ni x cube ni. Now dv by dt is equal to thrice x square. X is not t, therefore we have to multiply by dx by dt, whose value is 3 and which gives 9x square. When x is 10 centimeter, the value of dv by dt is 9 into 10 square, that is 900. Thus, the volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second when its age is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter na pibana magi asang boy matamda second kudingi 900 cubic centimeter hengatli cube adugi volume do. Question number 5. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and wave moves in circles at the speed of 5 cm per second. Nung amana leng da ising amada part amada thadai maduna wave circle 9 wave speed amada 5 cm per second speed da wave circle sema e. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 cm, circular wave adugi radius to 8 cm oiba matamda, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Enclosed area hingalakpagi sangdu kayano putu. Let A be the enclosed area when radius is r. Radius r oiba matamda enclosed area do A onilode C. Then A, area of the enclosed circle, the circular section result to the pi r square and dr by dt. Radius hengatpagi speed to the 5 cm per second. Therefore, dA by dt is twice pi r into dr by dt whose value is 5, which gives 10 pi r. The value of dA by dt when r is 8, we replace r by 8, we get it pi. Thus, the enclosed area is increasing at the rate of it pi centimeter square per second. Question number 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Circle namagi radius hengat pasi 0.7 centimeter per second hengatli circumference hengat pagi sang putu. Let y be the circumference of the circle when its radius is x. Circumference na y, circle na radius na x oiba matamda circle gi circumference to y manahal c. Then dx by dt radius hengat pagi sang c 0.7 centimeter per second and the circumference of the circle is twice pi x. Therefore, dy by dt is twice pi dx into dx by dt. The value of dx by dt is 0.7, which gives 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Thus, the rate of increase of the circumference is 1.4 pi centimeter per second. For question number 7, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and the height y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Rectangle amagi length x asi minute kudingi 5 centimeter hanthai aduga height y asina minute kudingi 4 centimeter hengatle. When x is 8 centimeter and y is 6 centimeter, find the rates of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Hariba length amasung height na 8 centimeter amasung 6 centimeter oiba matamda perimeter hongbagi chang putu loina area hongbagi chang chu putu. Let P and A be the perimeter and area of the rectangle when its length is x and breadth is y. Length x, breadth y oiba rectangle adugi perimeter amasung area do mathang sina P amasung A oina lorasi. Then perimeter is 2 times of x plus y and dx by dt. Length hantabagi sang do di 5 centimeter per minute and the height hantabagi sang do di dy by dt is given as 4 centimeter per minute. Therefore, dp by dt is 2 times of dx by dt plus dy by dt. These two values are replaced -5 and +4. We get -2. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Why? dp by dt whose value is minus, which shows that the perimeter of the rectangle is decreasing. Minus corresponds to decreasing. When area, then area is also A equal to xy. Therefore, dA by dt, applying product rule on right side, x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt, which gives when x is 8 cm, y is 6 cm, the value of dA by dt is 8 into 4 plus 6 into minus 5, that is 32 minus 30, that is 2. Thus, the area is increasing. Why it is increasing? It is the value of the A by dt is plus at the rate of 2 cm square per minute. Question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Balloon ama nungsit hanjinba khudingi spherical mawongda lengdana adum leibasida second amada 900 cubic centimeters of gas kamchili. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 cm. Spherical balloon dugi radius na 15 cm oiba matamda mahaki radius hengatpagi sangdo puthu u haibane. Let B the volume of the balloon and R be the radius. Then dB by dt. Volume hengatpagi sangdodi 900 cm cube per second and volume is for a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, dB by dt is 4 pi r square into dr by dt. dB by dt is replaced by 900. We get this. When r is 15 cm, again it becomes this. From this, we have to find out dr by dt is 1 by pi. Thus, the radius is increasing at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. Radius to not 15 centimeter, oiba matamda radius hengatpagi sangsi 1 by pi centimeter per second. For question number 9, a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing when the radius when the latter is 10 cm. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 cm. Let B be the volume of the balloon when its radius is r. Then B is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiating both sides with respect to r, we get dB by dr equal to 4 pi r square. When the radius is 10, the value of dB by dr is 400 pi. Thus, the volume is increasing at the rate of 400 pi centimeter cube per cm. Question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. 5 meter sangba kairak ama phalang amada nga thai. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Kairaki makha thangba saruk adu phalang dagi singthoki away from the wall. Phalang gi makhung dagi at the rate of 2 cm per second. How fast is its height all the one decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? Kairaki makhung du phalang dagi 4 meter singthokpa matamda kairaki mathak thangba saruk ado karamba speed ta kumtharakpage hangba. Let A be equal to 5 meter the ladder and AC equal to X and BC equal to Y as in picture. Asumna AB asina 5 meter sangba kairak aduni A sigi asang basina X ka manahalasi BY BC asina Y ka manahalasi. Then dx by dt kairaki makung singthokibagi speed to the 2 cm per second, which can be written as 2 by 100 meter per second. We convert centimeter into meter, and which again 0.02 meter per second. And by applying Pythagoras theorem, we get a relation between x and y, that is x square plus y square equal to 5 square. Differentiating both sides with respect to t, we get twice x into dx by dt plus twice y into dy by dt. 25 5 square is constant whose derivative is 0. From this, we get dy by dt equal to minus x times of 0.02 by y. dy by dt, putting y is converted into, using this formula, converted into x. When x is 4, when x is 4, we get this, evaluating, we get minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Thus, the height on the one is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second when the foot of the ladder 4 meter away from the wall. Kairaki makhongdu phaklang dagi 4 meter chathokpa matamda kairaki mathak phaklang kairaki mathak thangba saruk ado 8 by 3 centimeter per second speed ta speed awang bodo hantarakani. Question number 11. A particle moves along the curve of 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Curve particle namana curve asigi matung initially find the points on the curve of which the y coordinate is changing I times as fast as the x coordinate. Aduguma curve ta leba points sing du putu u y coordinate c x coordinate ki saruk nipan hena change toba point adu putu. Let here y 6y equal to x cube plus 2 and dy by dt is given as I times of dx by dt. Differentiating this function with respect to x, we get this. For this, we get 3x squared into dx by dt. Putting the value of dy by dt, that is I dx by dt. Cancelling, we get x plus minus 4. When x is 4 in the curve, we get y equal to 11. When x is minus 4 in the curve, we get corresponding value of y is minus 31 by 3. Therefore, the points are 4, 11 and minus 4 minus 31 by 3. For question number 12, the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1/2 centimeter per second. Air bubble amagi radius asi half centimeter per second. Second khudingi centimeter tangkai hengatli. At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? Radius na 1 centimeter oiba matamda air bubble dugi volume kayam hengatpage. Let B volume of the air bubble when its radius is r. Air bubble gi radius na r oiba matamda volume du B ga mana halasi. Then dr by dt magi radius hengatpagi chang no 1/2 centimeter per second and volume of the air bubble which is a sphere, therefore its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, differentiating both sides with respect to t, we get dv by dt equal to 4 pi r square into dr by dt. The value of dr by dt is half. We get twice pi r square. When r is 1 centimeter, the value of dv by dt is twice pi into 1 square, that is twice pi. Thus, the volume of the air bubble is increasing at the rate of twice pi centimeter cube per second. Question number 13. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 times of twice x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Balloon amase matam punamak spherical oi magi variable diameter alai 3 by 2 times of twice x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. X homba matamda volume homagi sang putu u. Let B be the volume of the spherical balloon when its diameter is 3 by 2 times of twice x plus 1. Then B equal to 4 by 3 pi. This is r cube. R, it is diameter, therefore we have to divide by 2 to convert it in radius, and radius cube. Simplifying, we get this. Now dv by dx is x, the both side derivative load over d. We get this. Masih phangi. Thus, the rate of change of volume is 27 pi by I times of twice x plus 1 square centimeter cube per centimeter. For question number 14, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Laingoi ama pipe ama da 12 centimeter cube per second da haithai. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. Adugumba laingoi na semba cone adugi awang basi radius adugi saruk taruk thopagi amaga manai. how fast is the height of the sand coal increasing when the radial height is 4 centimeter adugumba coal dugi height aduna 4 centimeter oiba matamda laingoi sand coal adugi height height hengalakpagi rate to putu u haiba. Let B volume R radius and ice height of the cell coal. Then B coal gidi 1 by 3 pi R square ice, and ice is what 1 by 6 times of R, and dV by dt volume hengatpagi sangdi 12 centimeter cube per second implies B is 4 by 3 6 ice 6 ice square into ice, that is 12 pi ice cube. Now B is function of ice only. Therefore, dV by dt is 36 pi ice square into d ice by dt. But dV by dt is given as 12 centimeter cube per second. Therefore, it becomes 12 equal to 36 pi. Ice is replaced by 4. We get d ice by dt. d ice by dt is 1 by 48 pi. Sina height hengatpagi sangni height na 4 centimeter oiba matamda. Thus, the height of the sand coal is increasing at the rate of 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Adugumba height aduna 4 centimeter oiba matamda height hengatpagi sang asi 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Question number 15. The total cost Cx in rupees associated with the production of X units of an item is given by Cx. This function find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. Here Cx is function of x and x is equal to 17. We note that marginal cost is rate of change of total cost. Total cost hongbagi sang adubu marginal cost kawi. Therefore, marginal cost is dc by dx. Also, dc by dx, masida derivative lowrabadi, we get this. 2 song tharabadi, we get this. The 1, 15 into 1, we get this. When x is 17, whose value is given by this numerical expression solving, we get 20.967. Thus, the marginal cost is rupees 20.967 when 17 units are produced. 17 units putokpa matamda marginal cost say 20.967 rupees. Question number 16. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of a product is given by Rx equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Karigumba product amagi X units yonbadagi phangakpa rupee total revenue ase Rx to sumna pire function nama oina. Find the marginal revenue when X is 7. Adugumba unit masinduna 7 oiba matamda marginal revenue du putu u haibani. Here Rx is this and X is 7. We note that marginal revenue is the rate of change of total revenue. Total revenue hongbagi sang adubuni marginal revenue haibadi. Haibadi marginal revenue is dr by dx. Therefore, pyramid function sidagi x na derivative already dr by dx is 26x plus 26. Whose value when x equal to 7 is we get 208. Thus, the marginal revenue is rupees 208 when X units are produced. X units putokpa matamda marginal revenue is 20 rupees 208. Choose the correct answer in the exercises 17 and 18. 17. The rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius r at r equal to 6 cm is. Circle amagi radius na 6 cm oiba matamda area hongbagi sang asi makhada piriba number singsigi karambana chumbage. Area a abcd pi r square ni. dA by dr d twice pi r lere r value 6 pisal asi 12 pi. Aduna correct answer the option B asi chumme. For 18, the total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of a product is given by this function. The marginal revenue when X equal to 15 is. Rx is function of X, therefore dr by dx is 6x plus 36, whose value when X equal to 15 is 126. The correct answer is D.